Here I have UMIDIGI Power, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll just stay with English. Then you have to tap Start. Then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have a SIM card on you at the moment, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, disable them here. But in any case, you will have to accept with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you can set up any other lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN, password, but you can skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.